Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the extrude cut feature by designing this part. So let's start a new part file and click OK. The unit is going to be in inch, so change your unit. So to start again, an extrude cut is also a sketch feature, meaning you need a sketch to be able to create it. So looking at this part, we can select our sketch. It gives us all of our plane. We can start drawing this part by drawing this base first. So looking at it, we know we are going to select the front plane. So the first thing we will do is draw a corner rectangle. No, let's draw a center rectangle. So we click on our origin point and just drag it out and click. Then let's add a dimension to fully define our sketch. The width is 6 and the height is 5. Our sketch is fully defined. We can come to the feature tab, extrude it, and we are going to extrude it at a distance of 1. So let's type in 1. The option is blind and extrude. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is extrude this cylinder. And the cylinder is located, I know there isn't a dimension for it, but it is located in the middle of this box. So where our origin point is. So let's click on this face. Because remember, we discussed in the last lecture that any flat face, you can use it as a sketch plane. So let's click on that face. Come to our sketch tab, sketch, number 2. And we are going to draw a circle here and add a dimension of 3. We have a fully defined sketch. Then we'll come to feature, extrude, and we know the total distance is 3 from the back. So because we are extruding it from this face, we know the remaining distance will be 2. So select 2 and click OK. So this is what we have now. If I go isometric view, you can see we have the same exact thing. So now to cut, which is what this lecture is about, the extrude cut, we will select the face. We'll draw a sketch, number 2, and draw a circle. There you go. We'll add our dimension, which is 2. And now to create your extrude cut, come down to your feature tab, extrude cut, and it is saying it is extrude all the spots. So the extrude cut works just like the extrude, meaning you have all the same option as the draft. So for the different option, you have the blind, true all in both up to next, up to vertex, which is a point. So for this option, we can click true all, which is what this is saying. So it is going to cut that hole through the entire part. And we will select OK. And that is how the extrude cut works. It is very simple. And thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.